Capricorn, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, pwede ninyong tingnan and panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon and nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe na para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell, Capricorn. Maraming salamat. Let's see kung ano yung mga energies and messages na paparating sa inyo for the month of September. Capricorn, energies and messages, mga gabay for the month of September. For Capricorn, please. Capricorn. Oh, tumidikit. The Wheel. A time of positive change. A situation suddenly moves forward. Fortune is on your side. Okay, so magkaroon ng positibo na pagbabago sa inyong buhay. A positive turn of events, Capricorn, okay? Positive changes na mangyayari for the month of September. Maaring sa personal life nyo to, okay? Sa mga creative endeavors nyo, sa trabaho or sa kaperahan. Basta merong positive or positibo na pagbabago or pangyayari in the month of September. Additional messages, please, for Capricorn. Okay. Additional messages and energies for the month of September for Capricorn. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, so once, okay, there will be a new beginning or career advancement na mangyayari for the month of September for Capricorn. We'll see, tingnan natin. 9 of Cups. Okay. 9 of Cups. So, merong wish come true or emotional fulfillment sa inyo for the month of September. Maaring you will be receiving gifts or money, okay, or raise, salary raise. Okay. Wish fulfillment, 8 of Pentacles, okay. So, your hard work or your skilled work will be rewarded, okay. Magiging masaya kayo sa inyong ginagawa or sa inyong trabaho. You will be finding fulfillment, Capricorn, okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, yung mga pinaghirapan ninyo, magkakaroon ng positive results, yung mga pinag-aaralan ninyo, okay? Parang matutuwa kayo sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong pinag-aaralan, okay? You will be receiving favors, positive favors, okay? Magandang resulta sa inyong pinag-aaralan or sa inyong tinatrabaho, sa inyong minamaster, okay? The Queen of Cups, yeah, there will be pride, okay, in yourself, no? You will be developing your talents. You will be nurturing yourself, okay? You will feel good for the month of September. Emotionally fulfilled. You will be happy, okay? A wish is granted for the month of September. 9 of Wands, let's see. Nine of Wands. 6 of Cups. Yeah, for some of you, kung ano man itong mga sacrifices, mga sufferings ninyo na nangyari, okay? Magkakaroon ito ng kasagutan. You're almost on the finish line, okay? Magkakaroon ng kasagutan. Maybe someone, a family member, will support you or magbibigay sa inyo ng tulong. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will be remembered. Okay? Yeah, makakatanggap kayo ng tawag, mensahe, or tulong from them. Yeah. Okay? Kung sa relasyon man to, there will be harmony in the relationship. Okay? There will be understanding. Okay? Merong someone na naintindihan ang inyong sitwasyon. Okay? At magbibigay ito sa inyo ng tulong. Okay, Six of Cups. Six of Cups. Okay, the Eight of Cups. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you will be leaving a situation na walang fulfillment or hindi na beneficial or maganda na para sa inyo. Okay? So, merong pagtatapos ng sufferings or paghihirap, magkakaroon na ng direksyon ang inyong buhay. Okay? Or kung sa career man to or sa trabaho, yeah, magkakaroon ka ng enlightenment, no? Spiritual growth and direction. Okay? Yeah, you will be fulfilled. Yung feeling mo kampante ka na sa situation mo, okay? Although, kung nahirapan ka mga ngayon, okay, parang ang dami mong ginagawa, okay? Magkakaroon siya ng kasagutan at kaginhawaan. Five of Pentacles, let's see. Parang mapapagaan yung buhay ninyo for the month of September. Four of Pentacles, Kung merong lack or insufficiency sa pera, sa funds, sa budget mo, okay, there will be improvement in your finances or kaperahan. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you will feel that you are left out in the cold. You will be left out in the cold. Okay? But then, merong support or tulong. Merong improvement sa ganyang sitwasyon. Yes, a Knight of Pentacles. Yes, merong tulong. Someone will bring you news about finances. Okay? Yeah, someone will bring fortune or will give you fortune. You will be safe financially for some of you, Capricorn. Yeah. King of Cups, new beginning. Okay? There will be someone that will be compassionate to you or towards you. Okay? Magbibigay sa inyo ng pag-asa sa buhay. Yeah, for some of you, there will be a career advancement. You will be supported by a boss na nakakaintindi sa inyo. Okay? They will be compassionate towards you. Okay? Or magbibigay sa inyo ng advice, good advice on what to do sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong projects, or sa inyong ginagawa. Maybe this is also, magbibigay sa inyo ng career advancement. Okay? Growth and expansion. Okay? There will be growth and expansion. Tingnan natin sa King of Cups, Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Okay? Yeah, so yeah, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong bagong, kung meron kayong mga creative endeavors or business or creative project na gagawin, you will be moving forward to it, okay? You will feel confident, okay? Yeah, you will be very creative, smart at the same time. Yeah, someone will be giving you advice also on how to move forward. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you are dealing with a fire sign or a water sign. They will provide support to you kung ano yung pangangailangan or kailangan mo, so that you will be able to move forward. You will be able to progress, no, or to advance. Okay? Yeah. So it seems na kung ano man to, yung mga dark times na pinagdaanan ninyo, magkakaroon yan ng ending. There will be a new beginning for you. Okay? Meron kang bagong pagkakaabalahan. You will be excited. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Kung sino man or kung meron mang someone na hindi ka binagyan ng pansin, you feel alone, now you will feel supported, no? Most especially in your finances. Okay? Sa inyong sitwasyon when it comes sa kaperahan. Okay? Magkakaroon din ng solusyon. Someone, maybe a family member also will be giving you something, no? Maybe attention, a gifts, money, or material things that will make you feel fulfilled, no? Emotionally fulfilled, no? And happy. Yeah. So, merong changes, positive change na mangyayari sa inyo for the month of September. Yung hindi nyo inaasahan na mangyari. Maybe for the longest time, you've been suffering, okay? Nahirapan kayo sa inyong buhay, no? So, magkakaroon siya ng movement, sudden moves, no? Merong swerte, fortune is on your side. Yeah, mga bagong balita, makakatanggap ka din. So, just take what resonates for you according sa inyong situation. But these are the energy. Okay? Yeah. So, may mga unexpected changes or adjustment na mangyayari. So, yeah, yung iba sa inyo, if you are making a decision, so, be wise and make smart choices. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga additional. For yeah, yung iba sa inyo, there will be someone that you can rely on, okay? You will be secured emotionally because of new beginnings, no? Merong advancement and growth and expansion in your situation. Most especially pagdating sa kaginhawaan, sa trabaho or sa tungkol financial, no? Financial matters. And mga creative endeavors mo. Additional message please for Capricorn. Okay. Staff, you will be taken care of in difficult times. Okay. Heals, obstacles to overcome. Yeah. Yoke, feeling tied down or frustrated. Yeah, for some of you, you are feeling tied down or frustrated right now, pero yan ay ma-overcome mo. Okay? Magkakaroon ng kasagutan, magkakaroon ka ng freedom at the same time to expand, no? Mawawala yung frustration or disappointments mo. That is for some of you. One more. Problems to be resolved, okay? Okay, problems to be resolved. Message, additional message for Capricorn from the Spirit Messages Oracle card. Focus your mindset on what you can control instead of what you cannot. The world is your oyster. Elevate your thought patterns so that you can attract abundance into your life. You are what you believe. Okay? Additional message for Capricorn. Raise or promotion. See? So, congratulations. An increase in your abundance flow awaits you. This is a result of your positive focus and willingness to take action based on your divine guidance. Keep up the good work. Okay? So, Capricorn, these are the messages for you for the month of September. All the best. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!